Okay, this is lessons on solve two-step equations. So we've been doing one-step equations where it took one step to solve the equation to get our answer or solution. Solving two steps, now it's going to take about 2 steps to solve each equation. It's a couple of things that we need to remember. Essential question, what does it mean to say two quantities are equal? We're still dealing with equations. So we have two sides of the equations, they're both equal. And our vocabulary is a two-step equation. Well, this is what a two-step equation looks like. Okay, before we just had, say, 2x is equal to 9. Now it's 2x, so multiplication and an addition plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so the steps to solving a two-step equation are simple. First, you undo the addition and subtraction. Second, you undo the multiplication or division. So sometimes you're going to add, you could do the opposite and then divide. Sometimes you'll add and multiply. Sometimes you'll subtract and multiply. Sometimes you'll subtract and then divide. It depends on the problem. It depends on the situation. Okay, so let's see. That's a two-step equation. Let's see how this is going to work. Here's example number 1. 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. Now, it becomes very important to start to draw our line. Okay, we do all of our addition and subtraction first. There's only going to be one of these in the two-step equation. In this case, I have 2x plus 3. I want to get this x by itself, so I have to lose the 2, I have to lose the 3. I do all my addition and subtraction first, so the first thing I do is I'm going to subtract 3. Opposite of adding is subtracting. That becomes 0, just like we were doing before. Then we're going to subtract 3 on this side. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6. We rewrite our problem. Okay, the 2x comes down, we didn't touch it. It's going to be 2x, this was 0, so we can just leave it alone, equals 6. Our new problem, rewrite. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is we're either going to divide or multiply. So that's second. That's our second step. Well, I see that we're multiplying here, so the opposite of multiplying is to divide. And to get that x by itself, we divide by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. It kind of crosses itself out. Bring down the x. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now let's see if this works out. Just like I said before, just like in a one-step equation, we can take our 3 now. We have 2, and now our 3 instead of x, plus 3 equals 9. Well, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9. That's our answer. Let's take a look at another one. This time we have 3x plus 2 is equal to 23. First thing we do, we draw our line. Okay, adding and subtracting first. Okay, adding 2, let's subtract 2. That becomes 0. Subtract 2 over here. Okay, that becomes 21. Rewrite the problem. 3x. 3x is equal to 21. This was 0, so it goes away. Now we're going to be doing our multiplying and dividing second. Well, I'm multiplying, so we're going to undo that. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay, 3 goes into 3 one time. That's our x. 3 goes into 21 7 times. Okay, but we're not going to put a mark over this just yet. Let's check our answer. Does 3 times 7 plus 2 equal 23? Well, 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2 is 23. So yes, it does. Okay, go ahead and try this one on your own.